To capture the WorldPay REST API, start by understanding the basics of REST API and WorldPay Payment Gateway. WorldPay is a leading payment provider that offers a range of payment solutions, and its REST API allows developers to integrate payment functionality into their applications. First, you need to register for a WorldPay account and obtain your client ID and client secret key, which are used to authenticate API requests. You can find these credentials in the WorldPay dashboard under the account settings. Next, choose the programming language you want to use to interact with the WorldPay API. WorldPay supports a range of languages, including Java, Python, and C#. You can use the WorldPay API client library for your chosen language to simplify the integration process. To authenticate API requests, you need to obtain an access token by sending a POST request to the WorldPay authentication endpoint. You can use the client ID and client secret key to authenticate the request. The access token is valid for a limited time and must be refreshed when it expires. Once you have the access token, you can use it to make API requests to the WorldPay endpoint. For example, you can use the payments endpoint to create a new payment, retrieve a payment, or cancel a payment. You can also use the orders endpoint to create a new order, retrieve an order, or update an order. When making API requests, make sure to handle errors and exceptions properly. WorldPay returns error codes and messages to help you diagnose and fix issues. You should also implement retry logic to handle transient errors and ensure that your application remains robust. To ensure security, use HTTPS to encrypt API requests and responses. You should also validate user input and sanitize data to prevent SQL injection and cross-site scripting attacks. Best practices for capturing the WorldPay REST API include testing thoroughly, monitoring API performance, and optimizing API requests. You should also keep your API credentials secure and up to date to prevent unauthorized access. In summary, capturing the WorldPay REST API requires understanding the basics of REST API and WorldPay Payment Gateway, obtaining API credentials, choosing a programming language, authenticating API requests, making API requests, handling errors, and ensuring security. By following these steps and best practices, you can integrate WorldPay payment functionality into your application and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers.